We're going hands-on with the Mophie 3XL USB-C portable battery pack. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. And with USB-C's rise to ubiquity, more and more USB power stations are hitting the market. Mophie has always been tops on our list, but we are particular fans of the new Powerstation USB-C 3XL. This joins Mophie's already existing lineup of excellent USB-C batteries, which we're going to compare this to at the end of the video. What you get in the box is the battery station itself and two USB cables. No power adapter is provided, so you're left to scrounge one up on your own. Luckily, anyone that works for your MacBook Pro or your brand new iPad will work to charge this new battery pack. The two USB cables include a pure USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A. I'm really glad they did include that USB-A to USB-C cable because that makes sure you can charge two USB-C devices from this battery pack all at once, which is really our biggest concern. The battery is wrapped in this amazing fabric. They've used this in the past, and anyone who feels it really loves it. It just has a good, solid feeling to it. The battery is extremely sturdy, and you're not going to scratch anything when you throw it in your bag. We definitely see battery packs being made out of metal, but that can be dangerous because they're heavy and you put them in your bag and things can get scratched or broken. It's nice to see them use this fabric once more. As far as the ports go, there was a dedicated USB-C input, a USB-C output, and a USB-A output. Then there are four status lights on the side next to that power button that lets you know how much battery percentage is remaining in 25% intervals. Internally, this thing has a 26,000 milliamp hour battery, which is probably the largest that Mophie has ever put out. But it's not always about capacity, but speed. And this thing flies. The input port can handle 45 watts, so you can power this thing up really quick. As far as outputs, the USB-C also can handle 45 watts out, which is great for your new iPad Pro or the new MacBook Air. And the USB-A port can handle 12 watts of power. So even plugged in there, it goes out pretty quick. Both outputs can be used simultaneously. So you could charge your iPhone over USB-A to Lightning, and you can charge your iPad using USB-C to USB-C. Or if you have an older iPad, USB-C to Lightning. If you have the new iPad and you use USB-C for your phone, you can use one of those new adapters and still power up everything. These battery packs can get confusing, so I wanted to line up this new Powerstation USB-C 3XL with the existing USB-C batteries that Mophie has on the market. On top, we have the Powerstation XXL as a dual-purpose in and out USB-C port and a USB-A port. It is limiting with only one USB output, but it is still capable of 30 watts. It also has a capacity of 19,500. Next up here in the middle is the Powerstation USB-C 3XL, the one that we've just been talking about. Has those two outputs, USB-C and USB-A, and a dedicated USB-C input. Lastly is the massive USB-C Powerstation AC. This guy has a USB-C output and USB-A, as well as a 100-watt AC outlet, so you can really plug in your laptop. The downside is, while it's the biggest of the three batteries, it still only has a 22,000 milliamp hour battery. So the smallest is 19.5, the middle one is the 22,000 Powerstation AC, and the highest capacity is this 26,000 Powerstation USB-C 3XL. It does come at the same price though, so it's up to you to decide which one you'd prefer, the AC outlet or the higher wattage USB-C and higher capacity.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.